If Lady Vert comes, no one can look after Nip-Nip.
Oh, that should not be a problem.
Lan-Lan! What? What is that? Lan-Lan is Lan-Lan. Lady Vert, this is...
My, do neither of you know Lan-Lan?
No, we don't.
Lan-Lan is the standalone complex of game industry.
Stand what?
Lan-Lan roams game industry, seeking to right the wrong of questionable games. This one came to Leanbox a while back, so I've kept it as a pet.
That? A pet?
Oh, don't underestimate Lan-Lan. Lan-Lan is much better than any guard dog.
Lan-Lan says woof woof!
It is very neutral to matters, so you can trust Lan-Lan.
Lan-Lan asked Lady Vert, what do you want with Lan-Lan?
And so, I need you to keep Neptune safe while we are gone.
Roger!
Now that's done, let's get going, shall we?